Why did I make my dog a slow feed dog bowl? My dog was always gutsing her food, gulping it down in no time at all, and then would often gag, cough, or vomit after. Since I'm a potter, I thought, hey, I could make a slow feed dog bowl. So I threw the bowl part on the pottery wheel and then added the extra bits by hand. Fast eating causes dogs to gulp down large amounts of air, which causes bloat. Eating too fast, as I said with my dog, led to gagging, coughing and vomiting. Ew. A ceramic bowl means there's no scratches and it's non-porous, meaning bacteria, mould and yeast won't be a problem in your bowl. Bacteria in your bowl can lead to skin irritations. A ceramic bowl is also chemical-free, high-quality, food-safe and free of harmful plastics. A ceramic bowl stays in place and your dog won't be able to flip it over or take off with it. It's easy to clean and it's even dishwasher safe. It looks pretty cool and it's very satisfying to have made it myself to save Tiva from being a guts. Now, let's test it out on Tiva. Say thank you. Okay. Here's my puppy Tiva. She's about 9 months old and is a Tasmanian Smithfield. You can see she's eating her food nice and slow. The added bits in the slow feeder force smaller, safer bites. You can see here that Tiva can only get a small amount of food, 1 to 2 pieces of dog food per bite or chew, instead of a whole mouthful of food. Chewing food more thoroughly allows your dog's digestive system to break down meals much more effectively and would improve nutrient absorption. Now, instead of gutsing her food down in 30 seconds or less, she takes 3 to 5 minutes to slowly eat her food. I've made a couple of different designs, so check out my posts and videos for those. And click on the related link to see design number 1 that's made completely on the pottery wheel. Now I'm just going to speed up the footage, but go to my posts and vote on which design you like the most, and subscribe because I make pretty cool stuff. Fun fact, while I was editing this video, Tiva thought that I was going to feed her many times. Silly dog.